As week 6 of the lockdown begins, some places are starting to look busier, and many businesses are starting to prepare for the next phase. In Telford, this workwear factory has reopened today, albeit on a much smaller scale. 2 staff have been taken off furlough to work on new orders that have started to come in.
We're now actually finding as well is more generic workwear inquiries are coming back through, which has suggested to us that people are starting to think about coming back to work and preparing their uniforms and their workwear for their factory staff.
The roads are slightly busier now than at the start of the lockdown. The RAC says that could be partly down to changing habits.
If you're going to be socially distant, you're far more can be socially distant in your own vehicle. So I think you see that on the daily stats that public transport in trains and buses is really down. So if you're going to go out, you're going to feel safer in your own vehicle.
The queues that we've become accustomed to at the supermarket are now a staple of DIY stores that have reopened in the last few days. Those shopping in Norwich today were split on how essential their trip was.
We're both emergency service workers, so we don't get a lot of time off. So when we do, we try and get our bits and pieces, and we thought we'd leave it till today, thinking it would be quieter, but it's not.
Everybody's stuck at home. They need something to do, gardens, do DIY. So these sort of places need to be open.
If you need to go, then you've got to take care, haven't you? You know, you've got to be careful. Gloves, masks, alcohol gel, we've got it all in here, you know.
Building sites like hardware stores are classed as essential businesses. So while it might seem that people are becoming more relaxed about the lockdown, the statistics say the majority are staying at home. Stacey Foster, ITV News.